Happy New Year, my beautiful butterflies, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about this gorgeous rouge collection from Chanel. I'm going to share with you what I picked up from the collection. So let's take a look. So I'll be scrolling through Chanel's website to let you view the Rouge Noir Collection. Now, y'all, this collection, I had to pick up some things, even though I didn't need a thing. But I couldn't resist after seeing that Rouge Noir color on the packaging. And I'm a pink lover. I love a good pink color story. So that was just right up my alley. So yeah, I did grab a few things. I have a total of 6 items that I picked up from this collection to share with you today. I also will be swatching them on my skin so that you can see how the colors will look on me. But before we get into that, guys, let's talk about the Rouge Noir iconic color from Chanel. And here I'm going to give you some eye candy. So you know this color is an iconic Chanel color that's found in their small leather goods, their handbags, their clothing, their makeup, all sorts of things, y'all. This is Chanel's iconic color. Look at it right here in my jumbo. It is so beautiful, y'all. I love this deep burgundy. And that's in right now. Do you see that right there? It's so gorgeous to look at. I also have a zip around card case in this beautiful Rouge Noir color as well. It's one of my favorite wallets to carry. It holds so many cards. Also, do you remember that Codes Colors collection where they had all those beautiful mirrors I bought? Well, here's my Rouge Noir one. Look at that. Beautiful double-sided mirror. I actually had this in my purse, matching my wallet. But now, let's get into what I got. The first item I picked up is their eyeshadow and blush palette. This is in the Rouge Noir Confidence. And the box is color-coded in that Rouge Noir. Just in case you store your item inside the box, it makes it easy to grab for out of your collection. But look at this beautiful Rouge Noir on top of there. That is so gorgeous. And look at those colors, y'all. I was most excited about this one because of all of those beautiful pinks. It'll be perfect for Valentine's Day. And next, I had to get one of my favorite Chanel products, the Balm Essentials. This is in the color Cute. It's such a beautiful pink color. Again, perfect for Valentine's Day. And y'all know I use these on my lips. They're so moisturizing. Next, I picked up the 2 single eyeshadows in this collection. The first one here is number 267 Brun Rose. It comes in the black pouch as well with those gorgeous CCs in the Rouge Noir. This is a satin pink shade with brown undertones. This next shade is 257, and this is Gris Rose. This shade is a cool tone, metallic purple shade, and both of these shades will be perfect as one-and-done eyeshadow looks. Next, I picked up 2 of the 3 nail polishes that was in the collection. This first one is number 377 Modernist, a beautiful creamy gray. And here it is, the iconic shade in 397 Rouge Noir. And look at that beautiful deep burgundy, aka vamp. If you know, you know. Okay, here is the palette swatched on me. I love the colors, so excited. And here is the single shadow Brun Rose. And then also there's Gris Rose. Next, let's take a look at my Balm Essential. Here it is in the shade Cute again. That gorgeous pink. I mostly wear these on my lips, but I will pop them on my cheeks as well. They give a nice highlight to the cheeks, but they are so moisturizing for the lips. Next, let me just swatch these two nail polishes for you. On both the cap and the brush cap, both CCs are in the beautiful Rouge Noir color. Now, I can already tell the Rouge Noir is going to need 2 coats at least to get that bottle shade there. So, as you can see right there, the first one is light. So, let me just move on to the gray shade in Modernist. And, ooh, no, this is creamy, y'all. So, you can get away with 1 on here. Look at that. That's just 1 coat and you're already at the bottle. So if you want to do 2, you can, but you will get that shade with 1 coat. It's so creamy. I love that. And so let me just go ahead and do this Rouge Noir again on my thumb for a second coat to get the bottle shade. And if I could remember back in the day, if you really wanted this shade really, really dark, you can go in with 3 coats, but there's 2, and you see it's the bottle shade right there. Now, if you wanted a little bit deeper dupe for this and you didn't want to pay the $34 for the Chanel, get OPI's Lincoln Park After Dark. So those are the 2 nail polishes I got. I didn't pick up the eyeliner because the Chanel eyeliner felt a little bit dry. So I have this one right here in the shade Fig. And this is from Victoria Beckham. And you know, because her eyeshadows are so creamy, I love them. This is Gris Rose, an older collection, and I think it looks just like the one I picked up in this collection, the Brun Rose. I'm going to swatch them side by side. They're very similar. The Brun Rose has a little bit more browner undertone, but I probably could have skipped it. I didn't need both. Next, let's take a look at my Balm Essentials. Here's an old one in Lila, and we're going to take a look at it next to the new shade Cute. So we got a lilac and a pink. It doesn't matter to me if I have dupes in these because I love them so much for my lips. But here's another one in Dragée, and then my favorite one is Mermaid right there. I do have translucent somewhere around here as well, but I love these. So the more, the merrier. So for me, next, I would like Chanel to do something more with the packaging. As you can see, they just normally change the colors. Like here is the white. This collection was the Rouge Noir. But I would like to see Chanel do something cushiony and soft leather-like. Their handbags with that quilting and the big logo on the front that says Chanel. Wouldn't you like to see that in makeup? I know I would. But that's it for today, guys. Comment down below what you thought of this collection. And if you picked up anything, let me know. You know, I skipped on all the lipsticks because they were a little dark for me. But overall, I love this palette. It was my favorite. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget to subscribe.